Hi, I'm Becca from Assay Genie. Today I'm going to talk to you about our range of PharmaGenie ELISA Kits. Our PharmaGenie ELISA Kits exceed the needs of biopharma R&D scientists by focusing on high-quality antibody pairs and extensively optimized reagents. PharmaGenie ELISA Kits are used for the quantitative detection of cytokines, growth factors, receptors, and other proteins. PharmaGenie ELISA have a range of unique features. Firstly, they are validated according to ISO quality systems, making them a premium ELISA kit range. They are also risk-free with a 60-day guarantee. PharmaGenie ELISA are perfect for validating the results from our antibody array range, as identical antibody pairs are used. PharmaGenie ELISA are highly sensitive and specific, with many kits having a sensitivity down to the picogram and no cross-reactivity. Validation packs containing extra standards, Western blotting, and IHC antibodies are also available. PharmaGenie ELISA kits are available in 4 different formats. Our standard PharmaGenie ELISA are highly validated pre-coated ELISA for a broad range of analytes across a variety of species. The phosphorylation PharmaGenie ELISA are useful for detecting phosphorylated proteins. The viral PharmaGenie range is useful for infectious disease research, including COVID and HIV. Finally, the PharmaGenie with Controls ELISA range come with lyophilized controls to support your research. To find out more and learn about our other key technologies, you can find us online at assaygenie.com or on any other social platform, including LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.